Hello, and welcome to the fourth video in this tutorial series on Mountains, Digital Surf's industry standard software for profiler and microscope data analysis. In this video, I'm going to show you how studies work. In Mountains, studies are the different forms of analysis carried out on data or studiables. Unlike operators, studies do not modify studiables, but help draw other information from them through visualization or analysis. Here's how they work. I select a studiable, then choose a study to apply. This study appears directly in the document and can then be customized via the Contextual tab, which appears at the top of the interface in order to obtain relevant results. Let's take an example. Here is a surface. I want to get a 3D view of this surface, so I use the 3D view study. My 3D view is directly generated in my document. I can now customize it to highlight the information that interests me most. Here's another example. One of the most used studies in Mountains is the parameters table, which lets you calculate and show parameters for a given studiable in accordance with the latest ISO and national standards. To use it, just make sure you've selected your studiable, then click on Parameters Table in the Studies tab. A dialog opens showing all the parameters available. You can choose which group or groups of parameters you'd like to display, then choose which specific parameter or parameters you'd like to calculate. A table is generated in the document displaying the values previously selected. In Mountains, studies are different types of analysis performed on data and which are displayed in the document. These can be graphical representations, visualizations or analysis routines, such as the calculation of parameters, geometrical analysis, or structural analysis. If you'd like to learn more, check out the next tutorial in this series.